I am Caroline from Khan Academy Kids. I was talking to my team and we're trying to think of things that we can all do together since many of you are not able to be in school today. And we came up with the idea of circle time. Do you have circle time at your school? Well, today we're going to read a book and do some fun activities. So let me open up my book. We're going to read the book Hero in Training, which is about Kodi the Bear, one of our favorite characters. Kodi was reading comic books about superheroes. The heroes all sounded brave and thoughtful and strong. I want to be a hero too, Kodi said, but how can I become one? How do you think Kodi can be a hero? What are some of the things that heroes do? I'll have to learn how to fly, said Kodi. There was only one friend Kodi knew who could fly. Peck, I need you to teach me how to fly, she said. That sounds like a fun idea, Peck replied. Let's do it. First, you need to flap your wings, Peck said. Kodi tried, but her arms did not take her up in the air. Jump off this bench and try, Peck told her. There was no way Kodi could fly, though. Why don't you think Kodi can fly? Have you ever seen a bear that can fly? Maybe it's because Kodi doesn't have wings like Peck? Are there other things heroes can do, Peck asked. Yes, said Kodi. They can lift heavy things. Kodi tried to lift a heavy rock, but it was too heavy. How do you think Kodi looks in this picture? How do you think she's feeling? One of my friends was saying it looks like she feels really frustrated. I think that's a good word to describe how Kodi's feeling at this point. She's trying really hard. Maybe I should try to squeeze into a tight space, said Kodi. One of the heroes in my comics did that. I think you'd be good at that one, Peck told her. Sadly, Peck was wrong. I know, Kodi exclaimed. I'll transform into my secret identity. Heroes all have those. Peck came back with a disguise. Hi, Kodi, Peck said. You know who I am, Kodi asked. Of course, said Peck. Maybe I need a mask and cape, Kodi said. I have both of those in my room, Peck told her. So Kodi put on a mask and cape. I look like a hero, Kodi said, but I haven't done anything heroic. Could you help me tie this, asked Peck. Tying this cape on is tough. Kodi tied the cape and helped Peck put on his mask. Thanks, said Peck. You're my hero. Your hero, Kodi replied. I finally did it. Why do you think Peck says that Kodi is a hero? Seems like Kodi was being a really helpful friend. Yeah, and there's a lot that you can do to be a hero. All right, let's go on and do some activities. This is the word hero that you've seen in this book, and it's spelled H-E-R-O. Do you want to say it with me? H-E-R-O spells hero. Great, and this is another word, that. And the word that starts with two letters, T, which normally makes the T sound, and H, which normally makes the H sound. But together, the words TH make the sound. Do you want to do it with me? Can you do that sound? That's the word that. And here's a sentence with the word, that was hard. It looks like that's the first word in the sentence. That was hard.
That's the word, that.
And here's one more sentence. Heroes can lift heavy blank. We have two words.
Thrones. Things.
Can heroes lift heavy thrones? Maybe, but I think it's heroes can lift heavy things.
You made the sentence, heroes can lift heavy things. Great!
Super. So that's the end of our book. And if you want to read more books or do more activities, ask your parents to download Khan Academy Kids. And before we leave for today, let's do one more thing. I'd love for all of us to feel like heroes as we carry on throughout the day. So let's all stand up and strike our favorite hero pose. Are you ready? You're going to do it with me? One more? All right. Thanks so much for joining. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. And have a great day. Bye.